second video of Ayurvedic syllabus. First, we have studied about the Sharir in that first 1.1 chapter, which is the part of NCISM syllabus of Kriyasharir subject. Second, in that 1.2, we will see again Sharir. In that, there will be 2 points will be covered: Sharir and Manus Dosh. And second point is relation between Triguna, Tridosha, and Panchmahabhuta. This is the syllabus of this 1.2 chapter. We'll see myself, Dr. Arvind Paikrao, Professor and HOD, Department of Kriyasharir, R.N. Kapoor Memorial, Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Indore. This is my small introduction. Then we'll start the definition of dosha. In that, dushayanti manah shariram cheti dosha. It means it will be vitiate the particular substance or the any kind of subject that can be able to vitiate uh, the mana and sharir. This is known as the dosha. In another word, we can say the element which is situated in our body, which is potent enough to vitiate the mana and sharir, vitiate the man as well as sharir. For that, we can say that are the doshas. It means dushan svabhavat dosha. It is also said by Ashtang Sangraha Sutrasthan in 20th chapter, shlok number 3. It means it has capability, it is potent to vitiate the other element of the body. That particular swabhav, it is a nature of particular that element which is having a by birth to vitiate the other element of body, that is known as dosha. And that doshas, we can say sharirik and manasik doshas are there. For it means applied aspect, commonly the sharirik doshas are important, and sharirik doshas are vata dosha, pitta dosha, and kapha dosha. uh, these are there. Fundamentals in that we will see the what are the again there will be sharirik and manasik doshas. In that there is vayu pittam kapashokta shariro dosha sangraha manasah punaruddishto rajascha tama evacha. In that we'll see they said there are two types of doshas as per Charak, Acharya Charak. They said there are two types of doshas: sharirik doshas and manasik doshas. Sharirik doshas are again divided into three types, that are the vata dosh, second one is pitta dosh, and third one is kapha dosh. They, it means, reside in entire body, and that is known as the sharirik doshas. Some doshas, they are is reside in the mind, in manasah. For that they are named as raja and tama. These are the two doshas which are reside in the mind, that are by name we can say like that, raja and tama. These are two doshas, they will be reside in mind. So we can say there will be five types of doshas, or two types of doshas in that, sharirika and manasik, and five types of dosha we can say three are sharirik doshas and two are manasik doshas. Then we'll see according to Susruta, they also said like that Vayu, Pittam, Shleshmana, Eva Deha Sambhav. Means these are the three doshas. They only reside in our body, and they are able to. It means they will perform all physiological activities, and only because of that our deha, our sharir is sustained, like that they said. As like they said, dharayanti jagaddah kapha pitta anilastata. This also it means entire ecosystem also will be, it means um, there will be having these three doshas, like that we can say, like that the entire ecosystem, it will be sustained on these three doshas, as per Susruta they said, like that. Then according to Ashtang Radha, they said Vayu Pitta Kaphascheti Traya Dosha Samasatah Rajastamascha Manaso Dosha Udaharto. In similar way, they all these three acharyas, are, it means they are come from the Brihatrayee. As we all know, there is Brihatrayee and there is another one is Laghutrayee. Brihatrayee, in that, in Ayurvedic classic, one is Charak Samhita, second one is Susrut Samhita, and third one is Ashtang Sangraha, Ashtang Radha. That can be, it means, included in the Brihatrayee. So in next point we'll see the what are the three gunas. Three gunas, in that there is a relation in between the three guna, three dosha, and Panchmahabhuta. This will be second chapter. We have, it means defined the doshas, doshan shobhava dosha, like that. In that we have seen there is a factor, there is a element in our body which will be potent enough to vitiate the entire element of the body. So that are known as dosha. And second point, there is a we can say, second point, in that there is a relationship in between the dosha, triguna, and panchamahabhuta. In that relation we will see particular thing, like that. So here I want to describe these three doshas that will be there in our body, like that. This is the, it means three doshas according that trividha khalu sattvam shuddham rajasam tamasamiti. In triguna they said these are the trividham in three types. Sattvam, again we can say it word, it means stand for manasa. In three types, one is shuddha sattva, second one is rajasam, and third one is tamasam. In that sattva, it is purity or pure form of the mana, and rajasa, it is these two, rajasa and tamasa, they said these are the doshas. So these are the impure form of the mana, or we can say these are the doshas, as earlier we have seen, like that. So in detailing of that sattva, it is tatra shuddham adosham akyatam, means it is very pure, and there will be no impure element which is present in the sattva gun, and it is one of the special quality of mind, and which is not included in the dosha. And it always, it means help in all the way, it will give, it means all kalyananshadvat, it will be helpful to entire, it means growth and everything, to sustain and to longevity, and to have, it means good quality of mind. Rajasam sadosham akyatam roshanshatvat. Rajas, it is another gun. It will have sadosh, means it includes some impurities, and there will be roshanshatvat. It means it has rosh, it has some kind of, it means we can say impurities, and aggression, we can say, some kind of, it means always having a movement, aggression, or some pravritti, we can say, like that. That is roshanshatvat, we can say, like that. Then tamasam sadosham akyatam mohanshatvat. Means tamas also, it is impure quality of mind, and it comes under this triguna, as well as this raja and tama. They will come under the dosha also. That's why it is also impure form, and it is again said like that moha anshatvat, means they will have no knowledge. Moha, it is darkness. It has, it means without knowledge, we can say. Without, it means we understand without this knowledge, like that. So we'll see again in there is a relation between dosha and triguna. We'll see. Oh, I have studied this triguna, and this triguna, that sattva, rajatama, they are also said like that these are the mahaguna. Mahaguna said by Ashtang Vagbhat, like that we can see. So they have named as Mahaguna also. So there is a relation between dosha and triguna, we can say like that. Pavan rajogunamaya, pittam sattvagunottaram, kapha tamogunadhikam, tamogunadhikah. पवनः रजोगुणामय, पित्तं सत्वगुणोत्तरं, कफः तमोगुणाधिकः. It is said by Shadankar. In that they said there is a relation between dosha and guna. In that they said there will be pavan means vayu. In that vayu will be having a relation with the raja quality, rajogun, and pittam will have it means relation with sattva quality, and kapha, dosh, will have relation with tama quality, like that it is there. Then we'll see next it is Panchmahabhut and Trigun relation. In that we'll see Panchamahabhutas are 5 types, and Trigunas, whatever we have said earlier, like that Sattva, Raja, Tama. And Panchamahabhutas are 5: Akash, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi. In that way, these are the 5 Mahabhutas. These are the, it means, fundamental elements of our body, we can say like that. Tatra Sattva Bahulam Akasham. There is a relation between guna and Mahabhuta. In that Sattva Bahulam Akasham, there is a Sattva gun, it is dominantly present in Akash Mahabhut. There is a Raja Bahulo Vayu. Raja already it is we have seen in dosha also, Vata dosha. Here in Vayu Mahabhuta we can, it means have dominancy of Raja gun. Then Sattva Raja Bahulo Agni. Sattva and Raja dominance is seen in Agni Mahabhut. Then there is Agni Mahabhut, we have understood Sattva and Raja. Then there is Ap Mahabhut. Ap Mahabhut, we can say Jala Mahabhut. In that Sattva Tam Bahula, it is there. Sattva and Tama Gun, it is there. And Prithvi, there is a Tamo Bahula Prithvi. Prithvi Mahabhut is having a dominancy of Prithvi. Mahabhut having dominancy of Tamagun. These are the relationship between this Guna and Mahabhuta. Then we'll see the Rasa and Panchabhuta. Rasas are, it means 6 types: Madhur, Amla, Lavan, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya. And Panchamahabhutas are, we have, it means fundamental elements we have seen: Akash, Vayu, Agni, Jal, and Prithvi. These are the fundamental elements. There is a relationship between this Rasa and Panchamahabhuta. We have this one, it means in that there will be Shadras, Tesham Shannam Rasana, Som Guna Atirekat Madhuro Rasa. Som Gunatirikat Madhur. Som Gun will have Madhur Ras, and there is a Prithvi and Jala Mahabhut, it is dominated in Madhur Ras, we can say like that. There is a Prithvi Agni Bhishtatvat Amla. Prithvi and Agni, these two dominancy of these two Mahabhutas, there will be formation of Amla Ras. Then Salil Agni Bhishtatvat Lavan. Again, we can say like that Jala and Agni Mahabhut dominancy is present in Lavan. Lavan, it is salty ras. Amla is having we can say like that sour ras. And next Vayu Agni Bhishtatvat Katuka. Vayu and Agni Mahabhut, it is dominantly present in Katu ras. Katu, it is we can say like that bitter taste. Bitter means Katu, and in that Agni and Vayu Mahabhutas are dominantly present. Then next it is Tiktaras, in that Akash and Vayu Mahabhut is situated in Tiktaras. Vayava Akasha Tiraktvat Tikta. Then last one it is there Kashayaras, in that Prithvi and Vayu Pavan Prithvi Vetirekat Kashayaras, it is said by Acharya Susruta. And Kashaya means astringent taste, like that. uh, this these are, that means relationship of Panchmahabhuta with the Rasa. Then we'll see Rasa and Panchmahabhuta again according to Vagbhat. They said like that Prithvi Jal Madhur, Prithvi Agni Amla, Prithvi Agni Amla, and Akash Vayu Tikta, Agni Vayu Katu, and Prithvi Vayu Kashaya. Like that it is said by Acharya Vagbhat. So again there will be having a different opinion, like that. Dosha and Rasa. Relationship between Dosha and Rasa. These are the Shad Rasas, and what will be impact of this Shad Rasa on Dosha, uh, and what is there will be utility. We will see all this utility, how it is important. Then in that we'll see Vata Dosha will get aggravate by Kashaya. Vata Dosha will be aggravate by Kashaya Katutik, we can say like that. And श्लोक is like that स्वादु अम्ल लवण वायु कषाय स्वादु तिक्तकः जयन्ति पित्तं श्लेष्मान कषाय कटु तिक्तकः. देन तत्र मधुर अम्ल लवण वातघ्न मधुर तिक्त कषाय पित्तघ्न कटु तिक्त कषाय श्लेष्मघ्न. Like that it is this, in that these are the two acharyas said like the similar way. Vata dosha will be get aggravate means Vata dosha get increased by pungent, bitter and astringent taste, and it will get, it means decreased, it means increased Vata dosha will get pacified, normalized by sweet, sour and salty taste. Sweet in this we can say madhur, amla and lavan. Pungent, bitter, astringent, these are, that means we can say katu, tikta, kashaya. That rasas will be aggravated by Vata dosha, and Vata dosha will get pacified by madhur, amla, lavan. In according to the pitta dosha, how it is aggravated by sour, salty and pungent. Sour in the sense amla, lavan and katu. Amla, lavan and katu, we can say like that. That will be aggravate pitta dosha, and pitta dosha will be pacified by sweet, bitter and astringent madhur, tikta, kashaya. These are, that means pacifying rasas. Then kapha dosha will get aggravated by sweet, sour, and salty taste like that. Madhur, amla, and lavan. And pungent, bitter, and astringent, that is katu, tikta, kashai. That will get Kapadosha will get classified by these three rasas like that. Then Dosh Dhatu Panchmahabhut relation. What will be the utility? We understand it has a huge weightage of having clinical point of all these three gunas and doshas. Along with we can understand rasas and doshas. Along with we can understand panchamahabhutas and all. These are having some clinical aspect. By treating it means we can understand the rasas where the what are the Mahabhutas are dominated, and accordingly we can treat the patient. That is very important to understand this all these things. So in one lecture we cannot understand. We will it means take this lecture in some other day. What will be the importance of dosha and the relationship between Mahaguna, relationship between means Panchamahabhuta. There is a huge it means by some practitioner they practice with the help of Panchamahabhuta, with the help of Rasa on dosha, and that is the importance we can understand with this. So next we'll see Dosh Dhatu Panchamahabhut. This is another relationship between dosha, dhatu, and panchamahabhut. Actually, the dhatu we have not at means come across up to 2-3 videos like that. So dhatus are it means another fundamental elements of we can in modern way we understand with the tissues which are present like that. Ayurveda say there are 7 tissues, and modern say there are 4 tissues only. And these are the what are the 7 tissues we can understand like that. Ras, Rakta, Mas, Med, Asti, Macha, Shukra. These are the 7 dhatu. And what is the relationship between dhatu, dosha, and panchamahabhuta? We'll see. तत्र वायुर्वायुरेवायानि पित्तमाग्नि कफ स्याप रक्त तेजो जलात्मक मांसम पार्थिवम मेदो जल पृथ्व्यात्मकम अस्थि पृथ्वी अनिलात्मकम मज्जा शुक्रम आप्यम मूत्र जल अनलात्मकम पुरुषम पार्थिवम आर्तम आग्नेयम स्वेदम स्तन्यम आप्यम इति said by the Chakrapani. In that they said detail like that Vayu, in Vayu, Pitta, Agni, Apaha, Kapha, Rakta, Rakta Dhatu, Agni Jal, Mas Dhatu, Parthium, Med Dhatu, Jal Prithvi, Asti Dhatu, we can say Prithvi Vayu, Majja and Shukram, there is a Jala Mahabhut dominancy. Then Mutra will have Agni Mahabhut dominancy, and 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 Purish it is Mal, in that Parthium it is there dominancy of Prithvi Mahabhut. Arthavam it is again we can say like that it is Arthavam. Then in that Agnem it is having Agni dominancy of Agni Mahabhut. Then Swed we can have Appyam Mahabhut dominancy, and Stanyam we will have Appyam again Appyam means there is a Jala Mahabhut dominancy in Swed and Stanya. Majja Shukra also will have Jala Mahabhut dominancy. In that way, this chapter we have at means completed. In short, we'll see the what are the utility of in short means in brief how Triguna and Doshas they are useful. Triguna and Dosha these are very much important as ancient science says like that while creation of this entire ecosystem, they have, it means, three gunas are first appeared, and afterward the entire ecosystem, it means, have been grown up. That is the reason these three gunas are very much important. And there is a relationship between triguna and dosha. Because of triguna we can understand dosha in better way. And the understanding of this dosha with Panchmahabhuta, there will be having a clinical application. As we understand, this entire ecosystem will be having medicines of Panchamahabhutik like that. And all these medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, which is formed by this Panchamahabhuta, according to this dominancy of Panchamahabhuta, we can treat the doshas like that. We understand with the Vata dosha will get, it means, aggravated by Katutikta Kashayaras, and by it will be pacifying by Madhuramla Lavan Ras. So Madhuramla Lavan Ras, if you give to Vata Vriddhi, Vata Dosha Vriddhi Avastha, that will be, it means, certainly helpful. In that way, there is another example we can say Pitta Dosha, it will get aggravated by particular rasas, and by having it means add this tikta kasha tikta kashaya madhura madhur ras, then it will be certainly help for the pitta dosha. In similar way, kapha doshas will have also katu tikta kashaya, will get pacified, and by madhuram lalasa it will get aggravated. In similar way, this dominancy of panchamahabhuta uh, with the, means, having on dhatu and malas, we can understand the importance of entire things. So we'll stop here. It means, I will explain somewhere how it is applicable in everywhere like that in clinical point.